señores, we woke up this morning with one mission.
With a little bit of a view, just a little one.
Our mission was actually watch the sunrise from here.
Isn't it awesome? The rock is like just even more incredible than I thought it would be, to be honest. Like it's just, I don't know, it's hard to put into words, isn't it?
I know, I can't describe it either, but
It's just
I'm pretty
incredible
happy.
to look at.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
It's just such a flat landscape, and then it's just this massive
massive rock in the
red
middle
rock.
of nowhere.
Has anyone heard the word Dreamtime?
Yeah.
That's the closest Australian English word that describes our word, which is chugurba. When we wanted to prepare food, you know the big tree I was pointing at, and the bushman. If I wanted, say if it was dry, and if I wanted to make a muesli bar, I would grind it on the rock.
Something that really shocked us is, check around, it's green, it's really green. This one is the waterfall in the rain season. You can see a little waterfall here. This was a ceremony place too. Here, the Mala people used to take the water for the ceremonies. Because it's dry season, there is no much water left.
But you can see the mark one that flows along the base.
That's my diaphragm going in. That's me forcing up and down on my mouth area here like that. Air's going, as air's going to go up there and out through there like a balloon. So don't force it. Just because you can't hear the didge like you would if you're at the front of it, you're the sound, man. This is the amplifier. You're the sound. Don't need to force it. Sound's going that way. There's nothing to push back the sound towards your ears. It's going that way until it hits something and bounces back at you. But it's going that way. Best place to play it is the bathroom and the toilet. Right? Just doesn't look good when you walk out of the toilet with a ring around your neck, I can tell you that. What do you think doing there, mate? My ditch. Come on. Come on. Have sense of humour. Alright guys, so let's come down the ditch. Now before you do, I'm going to make a sound. Can you please just hum at the back of your throat as well as go? Just send me joke, smile, and just hum. Come on, let's make noise. Everyone here, back these guys up. Let's all do it together. 1, 2, 3. Alright, come down, you Smiths, please. Come down, head down, into it. Don't force hard, don't squeeze.